Oh, hey guys, what's going on? John Maz here with the Side Hustle Strong Report. I'm a little tired, I'm a little wired. It's been a crazy weekend, crazy couple of days. Built a new website. I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video. Doing a giveaway with the website. And I also spent most of the weekend taking care of my sick son. Thank God he's doing much better. You may hear him cough throughout the video in the background. He's home sick with me today, but he is feeling much better. So in the midst of taking care of him, I didn't really have a whole lot of time to put together my own expense report. But I got an idea after I stumbled upon this website, Neil.fun, where he put together this crazy little game here where you can spend Bill Gates' $90 billion. He's actually sitting at $96 billion, so the website needs to be updated a little bit. But I thought it was a pretty fun concept, and as I'm scrolling through a lot of these, I'm looking at them, and with the way my brain works, I'm like, these are all investments. It's crazy, buying gold, buying Super Bowl ads, maybe not buying Super Bowl ads, but buying gold and cars and boats and houses and jets and the Mona Lisa and NFL teams. These are all investments. These all make money for you. So you can potentially turn his $90 billion investments into more compounding interest and more passive income than he already makes. I mean, Bill Gates has $90 billion. I mean, he's making plenty of money as it is, but it's a fun concept to think about. So I broke it down a little bit differently. I thought, who's somebody on YouTube that everybody knows that makes a ton of money on YouTube? And, I thought PewDiePie's just a great guy. So we did some research. I found this guy, Bill Roberts. He's a vlogger. He runs vloggergear.com. He's also a YouTuber. And he broke down PewDiePie's earnings as such. He makes an average of $21,000 per video. He makes $940,000 per month. He makes an average of $11.28 million per year with a net worth of $30 to $50 million. And he's a YouTuber. That is intense. He has been making videos since April 2010 under the name PewDiePie. So he's put a lot of hard work into it. He has a bunch of video games that he's made and released. He's released a book. He does donate a lot of money to charity. He's a pretty good guy. I mean, all around, to live the life of PewDiePie would be pretty awesome. So I took what he makes on a monthly basis and I dumped it into my expense report here. We're going to take $430,000 roughly and invest it over a 6-month period and see how much money we can make. Let's take a look at our investment sheet real quick. So here's your monthly breakdown after your 6-month returns, and here's some of our investment. We'll go through these quickly, right down the list here. So Robinhood.com, free trading service where you can trade stocks and cryptocurrencies. Somebody who is an active daily trader, who watches the market, on a higher side, high risk, high reward, you're making about 3.6% monthly return, investing around $50,000. So that looks as such. That's $1,800 per month. We're not compounding anything here. So that's a $10,800 return after 6 months of investing $50,000. And no, it'd be a lot more. We can say 6 months, we're going to pull everything out and we're done. So you're looking at $60,000 at the end of 6-month return if you're pulling out everything, you're closing all the accounts. But if you're just doing day trading and you're making a monthly return of 3.6%, that's what these are all based off of, is leaving your initial investment in the investment strategies or the investment outlets. And these are your monthly dividends. So you look at Webull. Webull is stocks, just kind of low-key trading. We're looking at 2% monthly return, $50,000 investment. It's $1,000 a month for the next 6 months. That's a 6-month return on 6-month profit dividends. The next one here is my favorite, O&A, or it's a Forex trading brokerage firm. What Forex allows you to do is copy professional traders. I think that's awesome. I like to trade personally myself, but you can copy other traders. So I found a trader that has a high monthly return, that is a reliable trader, that has made steady returns monthly, has a lot of subscribers himself. He does charge about $50 per month to copy his signal. I did not factor that in here. It's only $50. I didn't think it was that big of a deal, just for some quick math. Again, these are all estimates. These are, horrible math. So taking 24% monthly return on a $50,000 investment, that's roughly $12,000 a month you're making. So at the end of 6 months, you're looking at $72,000 worth of return. For a traditional investment source, Forex trading, copying signals, or doing it yourself is awesome. That's some crazy returns. One here that I didn't include, didn't have time to, that I wanted to. That's why I left a blank space. Maybe I'll do it in the future, and we'll revisit this video. But real estate investing in a REIT, investing in property groups, and getting dividend payouts from that investment. So that's another low-key, kind of safe investment, is investing in real estate and property. The next one here is lendingclub.com and MyConstant. Both are peer-to-peer lending groups. Lendingclub.com allows you to compound interest lend. So every time you make $1,000, you can reinvest it. So I kind of tried to play with that a little bit in a 6-month period. They're on the higher side of their lending. You can make about 7% annual return on, say, a 36-month, 3-year lending period. So we're taking $100,000 and we're lending it to different people through the Lending Club application. So $100,000 your first month, you're looking at $583.36 return. Same thing for the second month, but because those two are over $1,000, that third month we're going to reinvest $1,000, and we're going to take the remainder of these two and add it to our new monthly return. So this third month here is a little bit higher. It is $672.49 for the third month, and then this is what we'll be making if we don't reinvest and we're good from this point on. That's how much our monthly return would be, $589.90. But because these two add up to $1,000, again, we're going to do another reinvest and add that reinvestment amount to the remaining amount. So that brings us to $857.33. And then the 6th month, we're back down to $595 per month. Again, if we were not to reinvest anything at all, we would just be making $595 a month for the remaining terms of these contracts. But every time we hit $1,000, we're going to continuously reinvest. That's what compounding interest is. You're taking your dividends, you're taking your payouts, and you're reinvesting it over and over and over again. So we're taking that amount. So you'll get to the point where you're investing an additional $1,000 every single day. Then you'll get to the point where you're investing $2,000 every single day. So compounding interest can grow extremely fast, especially in a situation like this where you're investing $100,000 off the bat. So the next one here, your total there for 6 months is $3,024.05, just using Lending Club for 6 months. The next one here is MyConstant. They are another peer-to-peer lending service where you can lend fiat and cryptocurrency. So it's a little bit more of a risk, but they have a higher annual. This is one of their lower rates. It's 10% return. They have a little slide bar. You can slide it up to 30%, or I think it's like 26.3% interest rate. But I kept it down at the bottom, trying to keep it a little bit on the safe side, as safely as I possibly could. Lower interest rate means that people are more apt to pay it back. You're more likely to see returns on that amount. So taking that another $100,000 of investment with MyConstant, we're going to invest that out for 6 months. We're not going to compound this one because the terms on MyConstant are far shorter than Lending Club. You can choose between 30, 60, 90-day returns or lending all the way up to 1-year terms. So we're not going to compound this one at all. Just to keep it on the simple side and speed up this video a little bit. So we're looking at $833.33 per month for 6 months, which comes out to $12,000. Now, on top of all that, PewDiePie is still making his monthly income with YouTube. We did subtract the amount we invested down here at the bottom. Subtract that from his $940,000, gives us $509,000 remaining in that first month after investing, plus the remaining 5 months at $940,000. That gives his 6-month income from YouTube alone at $5,209,370 just from YouTube alone after investing in quite a bit. So we're going to take that amount, add everything up together down here at the bottom. I did throw in cryptocurrency just for fun. I only threw in 2 cryptocurrency investment sources. One is freebitcoin.in, the other is coinhash.xyz. Freebitcoin.in, I'll put the link in the description down below. I do use this site. It's a faucet and a gambling service. But what's interesting about it is they pay out a 4.0% interest rate annually. So PewDiePie is going to go ahead and buy 5 Bitcoin for each of these because why not? He has the money. So 5 Bitcoin, so 10 total invested Bitcoin times the current price of Bitcoin at the making of this video. So that's $8,062 times 10 brings us to $80,000 roughly invested in cryptocurrency. Because these are both compounding, I only compounded one, but this one pays, they both pay out daily. So 5 Bitcoin paid out daily, you're going to look at receiving 1.5 Bitcoin the first month, 2 Bitcoin the second month, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and 4. So a total of 16.5 Bitcoin earned at the end of a 6-month period. Again, these guys pay out daily. The next one here is a little bit higher daily return. So they break it down as daily, not annually, like freebitcoin.in does. So 7% daily return is crazy. I really don't think this is a sustainable source of income or a viable investment. I think it's high risk, super high risk, but I haven't tried it. I've seen a bunch of people that have tried it, so I said, why not? Let's just throw it in the calculation. So 7% daily return on 5 Bitcoin is 0.35 Bitcoin returned to you daily. So that's a 30-day period. We're looking at 10 Bitcoin earned every single month. So we're looking at 60 Bitcoin earned in a 6-month period. So we're going to add these two together and multiply them by the current Bitcoin value, which gives us $616,000, almost $617,000 return just investing in cryptocurrency alone, just with 2 outlets in cryptocurrency. There's so many others out there that are far safer than these 2 that allow you to invest cryptocurrency. I mean, there's cryptocurrency trading, investing. There are funds or cryptocurrency ROIs that are available now. Super awesome. Cryptocurrency is definitely going mainstream, but I just thought I'd throw these ones in here just for fun. So our net return at the end of 6 months is $5,826,185.51. That's how much he's making just in 6 months between investing and YouTube. So if we take out YouTube just for fun here, let's delete this line. So $616,000 is what you could passively be making with a $430,000 investment in a 6-month period. That's crazy. That's your return on investment. That's it right there. You've already made all your money back. I'm going to cut this video short. We're running out of time here. I got a couple seconds left. I'll make another video talking about my new web store and my giveaway. You can always check out Facebook and Instagram for that information. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in. If you want to see more videos like this, again, comment and subscribe down below. See you next time.